in this final week of the semester, we're going to learn how to organize, summarize, and interpret business data using key statistical tools. And so we're going to start with the mean or the average. This is probably the average that you're probably most familiar with calculating. And it's just the sum of all the values divided by how many there are. We also have the median and the mode. So the mode is the value that occurs the most often in a data set. And then the median is the middle value when all of your numbers are sorted in order. So it's the one directly in the middle. Next, you're going to learn about graphical representations of your data. Specifically, we'll be looking at bar graphs, line graphs, and pie graphs or pie charts. Each of these types of graphs are good for specific reasons. So bar graphs are generally used for comparing categories or groups. Line graphs are really great for comparing and showing trends over a time period. And then pie charts show parts of a whole generally as percentages. And then finally, we're going to be looking at frequency distributions. And so frequency distributions show how often each value appears, and it can be displayed first in a table and then in any of the other graphs above. Also in this chapter, we'll be looking at finding standard deviations. And so just keep these topics in mind as we read through this week's lesson.